Good morning, teachers and friends. My name is Fu, and today I'm very happy to tell you about my hobby. Everyone has a hobby, and my hobby is reading books. I started reading when I was very young. My mom bought me my first storybook, and from that moment, I fell in love with reading. I like reading because books help me learn many new things. When I read, I can visit different places around the world, meet interesting characters, and discover amazing stories. Reading makes me feel relaxed after a long day at school. I often read in the evening or at the weekend. I like many kinds of books, such as fairy tales, science books, comics, and adventure stories. My favorite book is Doraemon because it is funny, exciting, and full of imagination. Sometimes I also read English books to improve my vocabulary and speaking skills. Reading is not just fun, it is very useful. It helps me have better ideas, become more creative, and get good marks in school. When I read, I learn how to think carefully, solve problems, and understand the world around me. In the future, I want to have a big bookshelf in my room. I will collect many books and share them with my friends and family. I hope more children will enjoy reading because books are like teachers that can teach us anytime and anywhere. To me, reading is the best hobby. It makes me happy, helps me grow, and gives me many wonderful experiences. Thank you for listening to my presentation.